English Unit 1. Children, what you can see in the picture, what a boy is doing? Yes, he is practicing sketching a sketch. What a girl doing here? She is practicing cooking. What children are doing? They are practicing dance. Yes? What here some ladies are doing? Yes, they are practicing to concentrate to do yoga. So we learn things when we practice them, and so we get skilled in it. So we need to practice daily to get skilled, to get master in anything. So today we will learn a story. It's only a matter of practice. How the practice is important, we will learn from this story. Long, long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yozi. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. Skilled means experience, good at something. Archer, someone who shoots arrows from a bow. Feats means achievements that require a lot of skill. He could hit the target precisely at the center, even when it was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill in crowd and loved to get admired. One day, he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying gouts of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. Grout means containers made from dried large fruits with a hard skin. All other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yozi. But this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered word of praise. He just stood there, nodding his head, and said, "It's just a matter of practice." Chen Yozi got annoyed. "Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows?" Annoyed means angry. "No, sir," the old man replied. "I am not an archer and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything's a matter of practice." Chen Yozi became very angry. He said, "What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments to other people? Who are you?" Old man said, "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller. Every day I fill these grouts with oil and sell them. All these years I have achieved some skill in filling the grouts. If you allow, I'll show you it to you." Chen Yozi growled in anger. Man set down an empty grout on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the grout. In those days, small coin had a little hole at the center. The old man took some oil in his ladle and began to pour oil into the grout from a height. Ladle means a long handled spoon having a deep bowl for serving liquids. The oil went straight into the grout through the hole in the coin. After feeling it, when he lifted the coin, there were no traces of oil on a coin. People there were speechless. An old man said, "As I said, it's nothing too so special about it. It's just a matter of practice." Chen lost his anger and said, "You have taught me something important today." After that day, Chen Yozi never showed off his skill as an archer. So the moral of the story is practice makes a man perfect. So always when you want to skill in something, you need to practice. Thank you.